This video is going to show you how to create a simple YouTube channel art using the free web-based image editor called Picmonkey. Then we're going to upload the newly created channel art to my YouTube channel. Now there's a lot that you can do here with Picmonkey, but this video will concentrate solely on the making of the YouTube channel art and not dealing with all the goodies of editing a photo or creating a collage or any of these other goodies that they have here on their site. It's really worth checking out if you have the time. Now, if you're not familiar with what I'm referring to when I say YouTube channel art, well, if you head over to your YouTube channel, this is what I'm referring to right up here. It's the header or the banner area at the top of your channel, and right here is where you can add the channel art. You can edit the existing channel art right here, and this is your profile image. So whenever you create your channel art, you want to make sure that whatever you put in here will not be blocked by the profile image over here. The tricky thing about your channel art is that it has to look good on multiple devices, whether it's your TV, your mobile device, or your desktop. And if we click on the little edit button here, go to edit channel art, you can see down here that the recommended channel art size is huge. Well, it doesn't say huge, it says 2560 by 1440, but that's huge. And that doesn't make it that easy to create on a lot of image editors. So let's head on back over to Picmonkey, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my background image and drop it right over in here in the edit photo option. And the first thing I'm going to do is crop it to the proper size, which again is 2560 by 1440. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to move this around so I can get some of those yellow lines up at the top there. Adjust the size. Click on the scale photo option, and as you hover over a lot of these, you get the little pop-up box that gives you some information related to that item. Like this one says resize your photos to the exact pixel value specified. That's what I want. Click on apply, and boom, there we are. Now we want to come on down to overlay. That's the little butterfly looking thing over here on the left, and I want to add my own, and I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to move that over here. And you can make additional adjustments too, but that's fine for now. And I want to add another one. That's this one. And we want to put these as close to the center of our image as possible, but slightly to the right of the center, because that profile image is going to be right over in here. So keep that in mind whenever you're adding your particular images. Your images may be larger, may take up more space, but you'll see here in a second after I complete this the reason why I'm using these smaller icon style images. And I want to put a banner in between, and that's going to be down here a little bit further. Got elements, scrapbooky, here we go, banners, engraved banners. Let's go with this one here. And you can adjust these to various sizes. I'm going to put some text in there, so I may have to come back and adjust the size on that again. So for the text, I'm going to add the text box. I'm going to go with Arial black so it stands out. Add text. Just select the box and start typing away. And depending upon what text you put in here, of course, depending upon what you're wanting your channel art to reflect, you may have to make some adjustments on the size of the banner or whatever you're doing. You may not even use a banner. Again, this is just something that I'm putting together. But I want to do that like so, and that like so. I'm going to move this a little bit over to the right of center. I'm going to move everything else just a tad bit to the right. That looks fine just the way it is. And let's get our text. Okay, I think that'll do. Now let's save. Give it a name. And you have the option to save it to your computer or to a Dropbox account if you have one of those. And I'm going to save it to the computer. And we're good. Now let's head on over to YouTube. I'm going to drag and drop that newly minted image right into the box here. And you've got a file size of 2 megabytes as a limit, which for most images are going to be pretty big. So you got plenty of room there. I think ours was only 900 kilobytes. And this gives you a bit of a preview here. That's what it looks like on the TV, on your mobile device, and on the desktop. So at this point, you may decide to go back and redo the image based on the previews that are given to you here. Or if everything looks right to you, then go ahead and click on select. You can see it's saving it, and there it is. Now had I moved it a little bit further to the left, then a little bit of it would have been blocked by the profile image here. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on using Picmonkey to create your YouTube channel art. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.